DoneRight Management. We are at Payette Forward, a great vacation rental here in McCall. Super close. It's absolutely a stunning, beautiful place. Newly remodeled. It's a lovely 7-bedroom home. Lots of parking. So great for the guys that have snowmobiles. So let's take a quick peek inside. All right. It's a nice, super open floor plan. Lots of windows. Fantastic kitchen. Lots of seating. You got a fantastic professional range. Great views from all these huge windows. Wonderful deck out on the side here of the kitchen. Right off the living room, another wonderful deck. Take a quick peek out here. Nice thing is you're just a couple of minutes away from downtown McCall. So up on the main floor we have 2 bedrooms, master. We have a guest bathroom here. Here's the master bedroom with a king-size bed. There's a shower. And let's head downstairs. And the nice thing is about this place, it also has great entertainment, hot tub, sauna, entertainment room, have some fun playing pool. Down here we have 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. In here we have the sauna, light switch, control panels, so in here we have a queen. In here we have a very nice king-size bed. Washer dryer. We have a lavatory in here as well. A shower. We have the other bathroom in here. So you could be getting ready out here while someone's taking a shower. And then we have 2 bedrooms down here. Another queen bedroom. Another queen. And out here we have a hot tub. A really nice, large, very spacious, very comfortable hot tub. So if you're interested in booking Pay it forward. You can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. So if you got any questions, reach out to us. You can book online. Pay it forward. Cheers.